Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up to ManyChat and connect your Instagram account. This is a powerful way to automate your Instagram messages and engage with your audience more effectively. So let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ManyChat.com. This will take you to the ManyChat homepage where you can access all their automation tools. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top of the page and click on it. This will bring you to the login screen where you'll see options for both existing users and new accounts. Since we're creating a new account today, go ahead and click on Sign Up. You'll now see several options for how you want to sign up. For our tutorial, click on Instagram since that's the platform we want to connect. Next, you'll be asked how you want to create your account. There are multiple options available, but for this example, let's click Continue with Google. This makes the sign-up process quicker and more streamlined. After authorizing with Google, you'll need to connect your Instagram account to ManyChat. Click on Add New Account to begin this process. From the options that appear, select Instagram. This is where you'll link your Instagram profile to the ManyChat platform. Now click on Connect via Meta. Since Instagram is owned by Meta, this is the official way to establish the connection between the two platforms. A new window will pop up asking you to authorize the connection. Review the permissions carefully, then click Continue. This grants ManyChat access to manage your Instagram messages and automation. After that, a review screen will appear showing what access you're granting. Once you've looked it over, click Save to confirm everything. Now, ManyChat will ask you some questions to personalize your experience. First, you'll see who's this account for. For this example, let's click For Myself, then click Next. This helps ManyChat understand whether you're using it for personal branding or managing someone else's account. The next question asks, how do you typically make money from this account? You'll see several options here. For our example, let's select digital products and click Next. This information helps ManyChat suggest the right automation templates for your business model. Following that, you might be asked which tools you're currently using. If you're just getting started or prefer not to answer, you can simply skip this step by clicking Next. Then you'll see How did you hear about us? For this tutorial, let's click From a Friend and then click Next. These questions help ManyChat improve their service based on user feedback. Now you'll be presented with pricing options. Since we're just starting out, click Start with Free Plan. This gives you access to core features without any immediate commitment. Finally, you'll see an option for a guided tour or exploring on your own. Click Look Around first to start exploring the platform at your own pace. And that's it. You've successfully signed up to ManyChat and connected your Instagram account. You're now ready to start automating your Instagram messages and building better engagement with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.